Make sure that when somebody is complaining about something or saying that they need something or at all in the vicinity of talking about their situation and how you might be able to help them, make sure you're putting labels on what they're saying, not the things on your clothes. Other kinds of labels. Labels like, sounds like, seems like, might even use a feels like, right? Seems like you guys can't continue to have the CEO involved in new hires unless you're building a kayaking team instead of a software company with what happened with the accounting department and that kayaking CPA that got you guys in trouble with the IRS, right? Seems like you guys can't continue on the same path that you're doing right now. Sounds like what's most important to you is just getting out from underneath this house and onwards to the ocean without having to worry about a million different showings with you working from home. When you put labels on things, it shows the other person that you're on the same page. It gives them an opportunity to throw more paint at the painting.